Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Today's April Fool's Day. Don't get fooled by anything. We're just looking at some great deals today. So Aunt Rach doesn't play any jokes with that. Curbside pickup, so you're hitting that box on the left-hand side with the red check. You're ordering this stuff through your cell phone, desktop computer, anywhere with the Walgreens app. You're driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup, and often the items are just a little bit cheaper. Now, if you like to shop in store and you're not about the curbside pickup, check out the video I did yesterday. Some freebies, a free haul as well, and then I had a couple little errors here and there. So you might want to check out the video, and I did do a double stack. So lots of info there, and register rewards, which are those paper coupons that come out of the Catalina machine. That has to be done in store. For curbside, it's just some points and or some Walgreens cash, pardon me, and just some cheap deals in this video. The first thing we're going to talk about is a free 8x10 photo. If you put in an order for a free 8x10, pick it up in store and use the code 8x10-fresh. It should amount to one free print per account. If you can't get this to work on your cell phone, try a desktop computer. Sometimes that's the magic to it. But if you need a print from an Easter gathering yesterday, make it happen. Okay, so deal number one. For this one, we are going to be looking at this, which are the $3.99 Airwick Essential Mist refills. If your store doesn't have them in stock or you can't add them to the basket, they're probably cleared, and they are buy one, get one 50% off. We have this coupon, which is a buy one, get one free, and it just basically reduces it down to tax. So it makes the two free, and you can only do this curbside. You can't use this one in store with the clearance items. It's not going to attach properly in store. It's curbside only. Now, the basket has to be bulked up because you can't just put two items in. You need a minimum of $10 after digital coupon. So we're going to throw in two of these L'Oreal Elvive shampoos for $9. Load the following digital coupons that include a 4 off a 2. And then there's also a Walgreens coupon for this product. And here it is. It's a 2 off a 2. So make sure you have that one loaded. And then the final item to get the basket with no problems, no issues, is one of these $8.99 Arm & Hammer detergents. From $10.99 to $8.99, but this is where it gets really fantastic, guys. We have an IBOTTA rebate for $5 back, so it actually drops this guy down to $3.99. And it's at various stores, so that's why it says Dollar General in this screen capture, but Walgreens is also one of my included stores in the IBOTTA rebate. So how fantastic is that? Okay, so just to show you, L'Oreal Elvive, L'Oreal Paris, Airwick, $5.98, and then WAG 10, $1.20 coming off. We have no coupons for Arm & Hammer. The overall basket is $23.97, $3.20 coming off with the L'Oreal, Walgreens, IVC, and then the WAG 10, and then $9.98 in digital coupons. Free curbside pickup. So the new total is $12.04. If you have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay $2.04, and then get a receipt from the cashier. Ask the cashier to process it through a regular register. If they do it with the handheld scanner, you won't get a receipt because you need that receipt to photograph it to IBOTTA for $5 back. Okay, so deal number two, we are looking at my favorite, Scott's toilet paper. So if you look in the app now, it's to spend $35, earn back $10, and it's BOGO 50% off on the paper towel and toilet paper. If you are terrified of that register reward, that $10 monster not printing, this is the deal for you. You're going to throw in 9 toilet papers. Alternatively, you can grab some paper towel or all toilet paper. I was able to throw in 9 at this one location. Some stores might limit you to this, but if you're going to put a monster haul in like this, get to the store in the same day, because this tends to take up a lot of room in their photo department, and they might start yelling or getting grouchy with you because you're taking up all of our space. So I would get to the store within a couple hours if you're going to put this order in, just to be kind to the employees. Also need your best friend loaded, which is a 7 back when you spend $30, and you can use this booster more than one time. Looking at the overall basket, we're at $35 on the nose, free curbside pickup, tax for $2.10. You're going to have to pay that $37.10 with your debit card, and then you're getting back $17.35. So it shakes us out to a really good deal. And if your store, that machine that prints the register rewards, been perpetually broken, or you're not sure, and the store manager, their favorite word is to tell you no all the time, this is a way around it where you can get like a whole bunch of paper on the cheap. Deal number 3. For this one, it's for the parents, and we're going to grab a box of the $17.99 Loves diapers. At the very least, if you got the same digital coupon as I just loaded, because it's a very high value one, it was there last month and then it reappeared this morning, which is this. We have a $5 off. Even if there's an IBOTTA rebate later, like this is potentially something amazing. So throwing one of these into your basket, it's $17.99. Curbside pickup is free, $1.08 in tax. $5 coupon coming off. You know, if I had $10 in Walgreens cash, I would use it and pay the $4.07. You're getting a box of diapers for $4.07, even for a future baby shower. This is a stock up price in my humble opinion. And yeah, just make it happen. It's a great, 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 great deal. Okay, so the final deal that we have is deal number 4. For this one, we are going to be grabbing the $3.99 Airwick plugs, and this one's like in sandalwood or something like that. It might be a harder one to track down, so please don't scream at me if your store doesn't have it in stock. It's buy one, get one 50% off for $5.98, and this digital coupon is making it free, which is a buy one, get one free. Again, this is one you have to do curbside only. You can't do it in store because it's not going to attach properly. We're also going to throw in, to get the basket to that $10 mark, one of the Arm & Hammer Sensitive for $1.99, and then one of the Big Mamas for $8.99, the Arm & Hammer 105 ounce, or that big thing for $8.99. Just a lot of detergent. Showing you the digital coupons here, guys. $5.98 coming off for Airwick, and then with the code WAG10, an extra 90 cents is melting off. So we do love those savings. Again, with that Airwick plugs, I mean, I had to search 10 stores before I could find it. It's very difficult to find. So the overall total is $16.96. WAG 10 taking off a big 90 cents. Free curbside pickup and 83 cents in tax. $5.98 in digital coupons melting off. If you might have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay the 91 cents. And then get a receipt, photograph it to IBOTTA for $5 back for that Arm & Hammer. And that's called a really smart deal. So I would definitely make that one happen. And good luck with the deals out there, guys. This is just a starting point for this video. But some fine deals for curbside this week. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.